Welcome everybody to Kysen Build monthly update number 2. Now this month at Kysen Build has been relatively exciting for us because we achieved quite a bit and we're really proud, and I'm really proud of the Kysen Build team. Now first, what I'd like to do is I'd like to say thank you to everybody who hit subscribe on our YouTube channel. We are really working towards getting our vanity URL, having to start from scratch with 0 subscribers. We need to get 100 to get that vanity URL. So thank you to everybody who's helping us reach that goal. This past month, we launched our first Kysen Build newsletter. It had a ton of value to those subscribers. Before I tell you about it, make sure you go to kysenbuild.com, browse down a little bit and sign up for that newsletter. Now in that newsletter, we announced 5 winners at random that were subscribers of the newsletter, which is coming out in the newsletter this month, that they had won an AWS voucher. Now remember, we're giving away vouchers on my Twitter at Anthony D. James, and we're also giving away vouchers inside of the Kysen Build newsletter. And we're also giving away vouchers in our live hangout. So by joining or participating in all 3 of these types of events, you are increasing the probability that you will receive one of those vouchers. Now, let's go back and talk about what was launched in that Kysen Build newsletter. We had a call for Nano project participants. We asked for some Node.js developers who would like to get paid to contribute to our platform to do some Nano projects for us. Now, all of this was part of our software product or product software process that we are testing. We're having to reinvent some of the software development process to make Nano projects work at scale. Because remember, at Kysen Build, when you build a Nano project, you're actually writing code and getting paid for it that's gonna be inside of some of our production applications. This is a community-based incubator is what we're doing here. So if you wanna find out more about those projects or when we have another call for our alpha testers, again, which we're gonna have to do this multiple times as we're developing a huge platform from scratch, you're gonna wanna subscribe to the Kysen Build newsletter to make sure that you know when and how to apply for the next time. Let's talk about the Twitter giveaway. I'm also doing another Twitter giveaway all the time. We're keeping that rolling. But the one that we just had, we gave away 20 AWS vouchers, and then we hosted our live hangout. Now, to get one of those 20 AWS vouchers, all you had to do was follow the instructions on my tweet to enter the giveaway. However, if you joined the live hangout, we were interacting, having a great time with the community, and thank you all for your positive contributions.
You know, just to hang out, I think it's so fun.
It's good to see you all. Like, you know, the comments on the monthly update, you know, they're very encouraging for me. It's you know, it's something I really enjoy so far about the community that's being built here is there's so much positivity, not only towards us, but towards other community members. And that's just something I can't emphasize enough. It's so great to celebrate when other people post congratulating or other people win. And we're gonna have lots of things to celebrate coming soon.
This week has been really exciting at Kysen Build. And you know, what we're trying to build here, right, is something that's never been done before, right? It's, you know, community-based tech incubator where at the heart of it is our ability to, you know, break large technical scopes down into really small consumable chunks that we call nano projects. And you know, our goal in providing economic opportunity to all of you, to our community, right, is to be able to offer up these nano projects, you know, which may take anywhere from a few hours to a day or two to complete. You know, be able to provide a lot of those at scale to, you know, engineers based all around the world, and for you guys to be able to grab them, complete them, and get paid for that work.
And we gave away an additional 10 vouchers to people who were live in the chat with us. So there's about 40 to 50 people in there. So again, the odds of receiving a voucher are more in your favor the more that you do. So this was a great month at Kysen Build. Now we have a lot planned for 2021. And we're only accelerating what we're doing because as we are achieving success, finding out what works and doesn't work on such a kind of innovative platform and innovative process that we're working on here. We are continuing to accelerate when we find things that do work. So 2021 is going to be a large year for Kysen Build. Make sure you hit subscribe to that newsletter as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you on next month's monthly update.